Hey love, what's up and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to invest in real estate using bamboo. I've made a couple of videos about bamboo in the past and I know you guys absolutely love them. This is because I always keep getting DMs, most especially on Instagram. But guys, I don't think you guys follow me on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. I always get DMs about bamboo. People are always asking me, so what do I invest in? How should I invest? Even after making thousands of videos on this channel. But anyway, that's not the point here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can invest in real estate using bamboo. Okay, and bamboo rolled out this feature I think about a month ago, or I found out about a month ago, and I've been meaning to make a video. If you don't know, I have a baby and life is seriously lifing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, so today we're going to be focusing on the real estate part of bamboo. I have an entire video about how you can create your own bamboo account and how to invest in the US stock. But this we're going to focus more on the real estate aspect. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. When you download via that link, you're going to get a reduced rate when you invest. Okay, a reduced commission rate when you invest. Okay, now all you have to do is download bamboo via that link. Do not forget, I'm also going to attach my referral code, so use that referral code just in case you, for some reasons, you were not able to download via that link or something. Yeah, so basically all you need to do is go to your bamboo app. You can look through if you are new to the app, but if you're not, you already know what's up. You already know how we do it over here. Okay, now to invest in real estate is pretty simple. First, you always need to have money in your account, and I currently have 1,000 naira and $4. To deposit your account, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to deposit money in my naira wallet. Say I want to deposit 3,000 naira. Is that not too much? Guys, naira is going to keep depreciating at this rate. I don't know. I feel like naira is going to keep depreciating as compared to dollars. I'm not a financial advisor. I can only tell you what I know or what I think, or the best way I am currently protecting my money. And as always, it is by investing. It is by saving my money in dollars, most especially, and also investing. And also because investing is just one of the best ways you can make money, is the quickest way to build wealth. Okay, it is always advisable that you invest in your money. It might not be in real estate, it might not be in stocks, it might not be in shares or ETFs. Just find something that would, make more money for you while you're sleeping, something like a passive income. You can also put your money in a high interest savings account, something like that. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna deposit, let's do 10,000 naira, right? I've always been doing 1,000 naira on this channel, but I'm gonna make another video where I'll show you how to save 1,000, how to invest 1,000 naira. I think that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, let's say 10,000 naira for the purpose of this video. And this is crazy because for 10,000 naira, I'm only going to be having $13.30. Just so crazy. I mean, all right. So because the selling rate, the current rate is 752. I'm gonna deposit 10,000 naira, and I can either use, I can deposit via direct bank transfer or naira debit card or credit card. So this is the fees for this, and this is the fees for this. Actually, let me reduce it to 5,000 naira. Okay. Let's see. Most of these videos that I do, when I deposit money, I deposit real money because I'm also investing, right? And with investing, you always have to do this thing consistently over a long period of time. So okay, I'm just going to do 5,000 naira, and I'm going to use, I can only do transfer. I think the minimum for card payment is 10k, or it's probably loading. Let me cancel. Okay, deposits NGN. So let's do 5,000 naira. I think I'm having network issues. All right, so we are back, and let me just input my card details right there. Input the expiry date as well as CVV, and I'm going to pay 5,070 naira. Processing payment, do not close modal. All right, hopefully this goes through once and for all. All right, says enter your 4-digit pin. 4-digit pin. All right, says OTP. I should get that. Authorize payments. And boom, thanks for your payment. Close. Deposit successful. Your deposit of 5,000 was successful. Processing, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so if we check my balance, I should have 6,000 naira now. Okay, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have 6,000 naira in our naira wallet, and all I have to do now is to transfer from my naira to my USD wallet. Okay, so I'm going to transfer the entire 6,000 naira, and it's going to give me the rates. Okay, 6,001. Okay, 6,000. Oh, sorry, 6,000.01. Transfer. Enter your pin. I'm not sure I remember my pin, but hopefully that is it. Oops. So that's $7.98 to my USD wallet, and it makes a total of $12.12. Right, so let's invest in the real estate. All you have to do is look for this real estate tab, or this REITS. What this means is real estate investment trust. Okay, click on it, and it's going to give you all the real estate investment trust that they currently have. So you can just look through and pick the one that you feel comfortable with. So which one do I even feel comfortable with? I don't know, because this is the first time I'm also going to be investing in this real estate stocks. But basically, this one is more like like a trust fund. As you can see, this ADC means Agri Realty Corporation, NYSC, is a fully integrated, self-administered, and a self-managed REITs focused on the development and acquisition of net lease retail properties through the United States. You can also check some other ones. And see, shall check through sharp, because this is the first time that I'm going to be invested. This is also like a blind date for me. So you can just pick any of these ones, and if I'm to go by anyone blindly, I have $12 in my account. So I would like to pick something that would fit. Let me see. I can do something that is about 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is about 60. So let me do the one that has 60. Let me do this 50, right? Okay, and I can just buy now, buy when price decreases, buy when price increases. Should I do this? I really do not know. Okay, let me see if I want to do another one. You can also invest in this one that is right here, this real estate. You can look through, and see which one. Invitation homes. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna scroll and pick one. Okay, this is to tell you that I am not a financial advisor myself. So let's scroll and pick one. Let's scroll. I'm going to pick one. Oops, this is Pebblebrook Hotel Trust. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just going to buy now, buy when the price decreases, or buy when the price increases. So I'm just going to buy all of these. I have 21. How do I have 21 buying power? Do I have $21? I have 12. Okay, where is it? Pebbles. Okay, Pebbles. Buy now. I'm just gonna buy. Oh, I think I have one money there about there. Okay, since I have $21, but I'm just going to buy one share of this, which is 21. Okay, preview buy. And this is the commission. This is the estimated amount. Okay, no, I want to buy one shares. I want to buy one shares. Okay. Buy. Continue. Sending order, it may take a minute. As you can see, you get a notification immediately. Your order for 0.9999 shares of PEB has been placed. Okay, so that's pretty much everything you need to do on when you want to invest in real estate using your Bamboo. This is pretty straightforward and it's really easy. My network kind of like disrupted things, but we were still able to pull through. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can invest in real estate from your mobile phone using Bamboo. I'm also going to be making a video where I'm sharing with you how to invest in real estate using REITS. So check the video up here if you want that one. By the time you are watching this video, I think 2 weeks later, this should be up, right? So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in another video. If you find this helpful at any point, do not forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up so that it can reach a wider audience. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en